When quoting for items like our MacBook, we may need to include associated items, such as the MacBook charger alongside the parent product. To add an accessory to a parent product, we first need to ensure both the parent and accessory products are created as outright products in current RMS. Once this is done, we can go to the parent product, in this case, my MacBook, scroll down to the accessory section, select Add a new accessory, and search for the desired accessory, in this case, my MacBook charger. Then we can specify the required quantity. For example, I'm just going to leave this as 1. Note that for other setups, such as lights on a lighting fixture, you may have multiple of the same child item go out with the parent product. Next, we have the zero priced slider. If we set this to no, it will charge additionally for that child product. If we set it to yes, even if the child product has a price, it will go on at no additional charge to the customer. From here, we can choose how the accessories is added to a job when the MacBook is selected. We have mandatory, which automatically adds the charger to a job and prevents its removal. We have default, which automatically adds the charger, but allows it to be removed if not needed. And finally, we have optional. This does not automatically add the charger, but can be selected on a job-per-job basis. In the last set of options, you can see that we can add an item as either an accessory or a component. An accessory will show on all customer-facing documentation, including quotes and invoices, whereas a component will be hidden on all customer-facing documents, like quotes and invoices, but it will be shown on internal documents like picking lists and delivery notes. Once you're happy, we can add the accessory. It is worth noting that we can create package headings within current RMS, useful for things like DJ packages or tents or marquees. To create a package, we can head over to our products page and select Add New Product. From here, we can type in the package heading and set the stock method to non-stock. For example, I will create a DJ package. Next, we can fill in the necessary information, such as an image, stock type, product group, and rental price. Once the package product has been created, we now need to add the accessories that build up this package. We can do that by heading down to Accessories, selecting Add Accessory, and we can now add the following accessories. Once the accessories are added, you can now include the package in any job.